All right, so I'm going to choose a session to register for. I'm interested in this group session. So it is on Friday from 12 to 2:30. I can make that, and I'm gonna confirm my registration. It gives me a little note to make sure that I have my updated resume on my profile before I join the session. Um, and I can check out their open positions as well before I join the session. If I don't have my resume on my profile, I can click this button to go ahead and attach my resume to my profile. And then from there, I can attach my resume. You can also attach it in the My Documents section of your profile here if you're not ready in that moment to attach it. Um, and that is how you register for a session.